Hi alle sammen, hello everyone, welcome to Learn Norwegian with NLS Norwegian Language School. Today we will discuss how to talk about vegetables in Norwegian. Vegetables play an integral role in cuisines worldwide, and Norway is no exception. If you're keen on discussing vegetables in Norwegian, whether for culinary explorations or to expand your linguistic arsenal to communicate better in Norwegian, our discussion today will provide you with essential vocabulary and sentence structures, basic vocabulary, Norwegian vegetables. Here's an overview of common vegetables in Norwegian. Ei gulrot, ei gulrot, ei gulrot, a carrot. En potet, en potet, en potet, a potato. En løk, en løk, en løk, an onion. En broccoli, en broccoli, en broccoli, a broccoli. En kål, en kål, en kål, a cabbage. En paprika, en paprika, en paprika, a pepper, pepper bell. En agurk, en agurk, en agurk, a cucumber. En tomat, en tomat, en tomat, a tomato. Erte, 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 peas. Grønne bønner, grønne bønner, grønne bønner, green beans. En sopp, en sopp, en sopp, a mushroom. En spinat, en spinat, en spinat, a spinach. En reddik, en reddik, en reddik, a radish. Constructing simple sentences. With the vocabulary at hand, let's delve into forming basic sentences. I like vegetable. Jeg liker grønnsak. Jeg liker grønnsak. Jeg liker grønnsak. Jeg liker tomat. Jeg liker tomat. Jeg liker tomat. I like tomato. Do you have vegetable? Har du grønnsak? Har du grønnsak? Har du grønnsak? Har du løk? Har du løk? Har du løk? Do you have onions? This vegetable is fresh. Denne grønnsaken er fersk. Denne grønnsaken er fersk. Denne grønnsaken er fersk. Denne brokkolien er fersk. Denne brokkolien er fersk. Denne brokkolien er fersk. This broccoli is fresh. I don't eat vegetable. Jeg spiser ikke grønnsak. Jeg spiser ikke grønnsak. Jeg spiser ikke grønnsak. Jeg spiser ikke sopp. Jeg spiser ikke sopp. Jeg spiser ikke sopp. I don't eat mushrooms. Useful phrases. Broadening your exploration. Here are some additional phrases related to vegetables that might come in handy. Hvor kan jeg kjøpe ferske grønnsaker? Hvor kan jeg kjøpe ferske grønnsaker? Hvor kan jeg kjøpe ferske grønnsaker? Where can I buy fresh vegetables? Kan du anbefale en grønnsaksrett? Kan du anbefale en grønnsaksrett? Kan du anbefale en grønnsaksrett? Can you recommend a vegetable dish? Hvilke grønnsaker er det i denne suppen? Hvilke grønnsaker er det i denne suppen? Hvilke grønnsaker er det i denne suppen? Which vegetables are there in this soup? Whether navigating a bustling market in Oslo, trying out Norwegian recipes, or conversing with Norwegian-speaking friends, this vegetable lexicon that we've discussed today will provide indispensable information about fundamental or basic communication. With our discussion, you can discuss vegetables and dive deeper into Norwegian culture through its food. Enjoy your linguistic and culinary journey. Unlock a world of opportunity and connect with a rich cultural heritage by learning Norwegian from zero to hero with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Our immersive courses and expert instructors guide you every step of the way, ensuring you become fluent and confident in the language. Elevate your Norwegian language skills from the comfort of your home by subscribing to the Norwegian Language School on YouTube. Enjoy expertly crafted lessons, interactive exercises, and a vibrant community, all designed to take you from beginner to fluent, one video at a time. Unlock the full learning experience with Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School by becoming a Patreon member today at patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. Patreon.com/NLS Norwegian Language School. You will get downloadable worksheets to practice what you've learned from our YouTube videos, podcast, and gain exclusive perks like member-only chat, transcripts, early access to new content, private one-on-one Norwegian lessons, Discord access, etc., for an immersive and interactive Norwegian language learning journey. Thank you for tuning in to Learn Norwegian with the NLS Norwegian Language School. Do you want to learn more Norwegian? We are now offering a free Norwegian trial class. Sign up for a free trial class by going to our website, nlsnorwegian.no, nlsnorwegian.no.